I don't know about you, but my morning always starts with a nice hot cup of coffee. I don't feel like I can get anything accomplished until I've had that first cup. Without it, I feel like I'm walking around in a fog. And I'm not alone. 54% of American coffee drinkers say that their morning cup of coffee makes them feel more like themselves. And as it turns out, we don't have to feel bad about that. Coffee not only helps us feel more alive, but it has many other health benefits as well. Drinking coffee every day is helping to improve our mental performance, it is lowering our risk of certain diseases, and it may very well be helping us ward off weight gain. Let's begin by talking about how coffee is affecting your mental performance. That daily dose is having a positive effect. Researchers at Johns Hopkins University found that caffeine was responsible for a deeper level of memory retention. They conducted an experiment where a group of people were shown a series of pictures, and then 5 minutes later, some of those people were given a 200 milligram dose of caffeine. That is equivalent to about 2 cups of coffee. The next day, researchers changed a few of the pictures to have only minor differences. The group was then shown the pictures again and asked if they were the same pictures from the day before. The group that was given the caffeine was significantly more likely to catch the differences in the pictures. The experiment concluded that caffeine did improve memory retention. They also found that more wasn't necessarily better. High doses do not have more of an effect. They can actually lessen the memory retention due to too much brain activity. Coffee can also affect how alert we are. According to the European Food Safety Authority, a low dose of caffeine has a positive effect on alertness. As little as 1 cup a day can significantly improve how alert you are. Coffee is also known to improve mood. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter that activates the pleasure centers in the brain. Coffee increases dopamine levels. Coffee just keeps getting better. Coffee is also shown to decrease your risk of certain diseases. It is widely known that coffee decreases your chances of developing type 2 diabetes. Coffee contains polypeptides that prevent abnormal protein fibers from developing. These protein fibers are partially responsible for the development of the disease. According to the scientific report of the Dietary Guidelines Advisory Committee, 6 to 7 cups of coffee a day reduces your risk by 35%. Coffee is also known to reduce the chances of developing Parkinson's disease. Parkinson's disease slows down motor function, and there's currently no treatment or cure to slow down the disease. However, research shows that a higher percentage of non-coffee drinkers develop the disease. Drinking 3 to 5 cups a day can reduce your risk by 12%. The same committee also found that coffee consumption reduced the risk of several cancers, including bladder, breast, endometrial, esophageal, pancreatic, and prostate. Dr. Donald Hensrud, a nutrition expert at the Mayo Clinic, also says that coffee is associated with the decreased risk of liver disease and liver cancer. Coffee really is amazing. Now that we have established that it can help ward off disease and cancer, let's talk about how it might help you lose weight. Studies show that drinking black coffee can help suppress appetite and can also increase your metabolism by stimulating your nervous system. Studies show that caffeine can speed up your metabolism between 3 and 11%. However, studies also showed that people build up a tolerance to the caffeine in coffee, and it can decrease the effect on your metabolism over time. Coffee can also help with endurance if consumed before a workout. 1 cup of coffee before a workout can increase energy, allowing you to have a more productive workout, and in turn helping you burn more calories. Coffee just keeps getting better and better. We now know that the daily dose of coffee is helping to prevent disease, it's lowering our risk of cancer, it's improving our mental performance, and it can also help keep those extra pounds away. But please keep in mind that drinking your coffee black is the best way to gain these benefits. Adding cream and sugar will reduce the effects and may cause other problems along the way. Now that we have discovered all these benefits, I hope you enjoy that first cup of coffee of the day even more.